Hello students, standard 7th. In the last session, yesterday we started a new chapter, that is the perimeter and area, in which we wrote down some formulas for the squares and rectangles. We know that perimeter of a square is 4 times sides, that is 4L, and area of a square is side multiplied by side. So we write down as L multiplied by L, or L square. Also, the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 times length plus breadth. So we write down as 2 into bracket L plus B. And area of rectangle is length multiplied by breadth. So we write down as L multiplied by B. Now, also I explained that when it is not specified that either we have to find perimeter or area, what things should be in your mind. If something is to be done at the boundary, like the fencing or building a wall, etc. In this situation, also to put the lace around a cloth. In this situation, we have to find the perimeter. But if something is to be done inside the part, then what we have to find? We have to find the area, like leveling the ground, fixing tiles, to dig the soil, etc. So let us start exercise 11.1. In question number 1, what is given? The length and the breadth of a rectangular piece of land are given, and we have to find area and the cost of the land. So for rectangular piece of land, we are not going to write down the whole question, but whatever is given. What is given? Length L is given and breadth B is given. What is that? Length is 500 meter and breadth 300 meters. So length is 500 meters and breadth is 300 meters. First we have to find the area. So now area of rectangular length. We know that area of length rectangle is L multiplied by B. So which will be 500 meter multiplied by 300 meters. So 5 3s are 15. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So 1,50,000 meters square. I already explained you that when you write down the unit, be careful, because the length and breadth are given in meter, then the unit of area will be meter square or square meters. Now the second part is also given. The cost of land also we have to find. If 1 meter square of the land costs rupees 10,000. So now 1 meter square land costs rupees 1,000. So our land is 1,50,000 meters square. Therefore, 1,50,000 meter square land cost rupees is equal to, we have to multiply it with 1000. So 1,50,000 multiplied by 1000. So we will have to add 3 more zeros on it. Means 15 crore rupees. So if you have the land whose length and breadth are 500 meter to 300 meters, then the cost of that, it is not 1000, it is 10,000. So there will be more 1 zeros. It is not 1000 but it is rupees 10,000. So there will be 1 more zero. So your money is much. So if you know the formula, you can find the area, and after area you can find the cost also. Second one, find the area of a square park. The area of a square park whose perimeter is 320 meters. Whose perimeter is 320 meters. So here, read the question carefully. Here it is not the length of the side of the square is given. Because sometimes you don't only see that square, find the area of the square and 320 meters. So they will think that 320 meter is the length of the side if they don't read the question carefully. So here perimeter of the square is given. So perimeter of square is 320 meter. What is the formula for the perimeter of square? 4 times length. So 4 times L is equal to 320. So L is equal to 320 divided by 4. So 4 8s are 32. So L is equal to 80 meter. So that is the length of square we got. Now in the second part, we have to find the area of the square part. So now, area of square part. What is the formula to find the area of a square? That is length multiplied by length. L multiplied by L. So 80 multiplied by 80. 8 8 is 64. So 6,400 meters square. So here first of all, from the perimeter, we have to find the side, means length of the side of the square. So perimeter is 4L. So 4L is 320. So L is equal to 320 divided by 4, which gives 80. So we find the length of the square, and then by using the formula of area, get area of square is L multiplied by L, side multiplied by side. And it is 80, so 80 multiplied by 80, that is 6,400 meter square. Now let's do the third question. Find the breadth of the rectangular plot. Find the breadth of a rectangular plot of land, if its area is, if its area is 440 meters square and the length is 22 meter. Also find perimeter. So here also the square, I mean the rectangular plot and its breadth we have to find given the area and the length. So here for rectangular plot, length is given. Length L is given as 22 meter. And also the given area. Area of rectangular plot is given. It is 440 meters square. So now we know the formula to find the area of the rectangle. What is it? It is L multiplied by B. So we can write down L multiplied by B is 440. We are given the length. So 20 multiplied by B is 440. So we get B is equal to 440 divided by 22. Therefore, B is equal to 20. Therefore, what is B? Breadth of plot is 20 meters. Now also we have to find the perimeter. So now perimeter of rectangular plot. What is the formula? 2 into bracket length plus breadth. 2 into bracket L plus B. That is 2 into bracket. What is length? 22. What is breadth? We find out 20. That is 2 multiplied by 42. 42 to the 84. So the second answer is perimeter. The perimeter of the plot is how much? 84 meter. Let's do the fourth question. Fourth question is the perimeter of a rectangular sheet is 100 centimeter. Rectangular sheet is 100 centimeter. What else is given? Length is given. If the length is 35 centimeter, find its breadth and area. So here in the third question the area was given and length was given. And from area and length we find out the breadth and then the perimeter. Here perimeter and length are given and from that we have to find the breadth and then the area of it. So now for rectangular of paper, what is given length? Length L is given as 100. No, length is given as 35 centimeter. Also the perimeter is given. Perimeter of rectangular sheet is given as 100 centimeter. So now we must have the formula in the mind about the perimeter. Perimeter of rectangle means 2 times into bracket length plus breadth. That is 100 centimeter. It means that 2 into bracket, what is length? 35 plus b is equal to 100. So 35 plus b, it will be divided by 2. So 35 plus b is equal to 50. So b is equal to 50 minus 35. So 15 centimeter. So breadth we got. Now after that we have to find the area also. So now area of rectangular sheet, we know that it is L multiplied by B. So now L is 35, B is 15. So 525 centimeters square. So now let me tell you again that this chapter is based on the formula based chapter. So all the formula that we are using, if you don't have in the mind, you won't be able to do the sum, because perimeter is given, but what is perimeter formula? If you are not knowing, how will you be able to do it? Here area is given, but you don't know the area's formula, you won't be able to do it. So this type of chapters are easier, but the main thing is the formulas. Formulas must be in your mind. So here we are going to finish the session, and if any confusion, write down in the comment section. Thank you very much.